Tutu mai te iwi Māori e, kia hiwa, kia matara, whakarara e.
Mai rā no ka werohia te kāwanatanga i nai Māori. We have stood strong against forces set out to challenge us, dictate to us on how to tiaki our tinana, wairua, hinengaru and whānau. My tipuna navigated the South Pacific in search for a better life for our people. We have looked to our pūrākau to guide us and listened to the taio to sustain us. The answer to Haora lies in our indigenous knowledge, our mātauranga, and our connection to the whenua and moana, and to each other. It's time to direct our waka towards our collective health so that our tipuna decisions live on in us. The uri whakaheke. It's time to claim our kōrero and do more than survive. It's time to thrive. Toi Ora Motuhake. E tū.